friends, this is Annette from Simply Panux, and today I am showing you what's in my journal bag. So let's dig in. I am so excited to show you guys because this is a really great bag. I am so happy I got this one because in my recent trip to Washington, I noticed that it rains a lot over there, obviously, Washington State. And a lot of the things that I was carrying with me, I mean, it's journals and stuff that I don't want it to get wet. So I'm happy that I finally was able to get something, do research on a bag that is weatherproof, that is like the perfect size, that's gonna last me a long time. I like to invest in things that are good quality. So in this pocket bag, these are the it has like leather clips on here, and it's this front bag where I usually keep my wallet. I don't have it here with me, but I'm gonna show you other things I have. I have my hand lotion, 2 chapsticks apparently. I have my mirror. Ooh. My best friend, she actually gave this to me. It's perfect, it's compact. I have some candy or chocolate usually. I don't even like these. I think that's why they're still in here. Because if it was chocolate, it would have been gone. But I usually put like my candy and stuff in there. And this is a bag that sweet friend, she gave to me, and I thought it was perfect for all my needs. Like for example, I have peppermint essential oil. I get headaches a lot, migraines, so that's important. And this is my earplugs. I also have my medications in here, my migraine medication, and my dental floss. So that's important. And I also have some few bobby pins in here and a scrunchie. So I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna put this back because it's important. And I get weird if I have all this stuff that I'm not even talking about right in front of me. So it just clips on this way. You would think it goes this way, but no, it clips on that way. So here I have a little conchita. It's a Mexican bread, and it's just well known. It should be white. Yeah, I need to wash it. But or it should be like a lighter tan color. But I really like this because it just represents my culture, and I love pan dulce, which is Mexican bread. Mexican sweet bread. So let's dive in. So here, I'm gonna tell you, I really packed her up. A lot of the things, I'm happy. I'm happy it all fit in here. So first, I'm actually gonna put her down. In these first pockets, I do have a journal clip. I have my AirPods, you never know. And there's zipper pockets that I have. This is very important to me. Honestly, I love this thing. I'm not sponsored. Nothing in here is sponsoring me. I just love this stuff. I like to create planner content, and my journals, I'm at a cafe hopefully, and I like to share it. So it just makes it easy to just pop my phone on there and film whatever I am doing. So there's that one. Oh, let me close it up. And in this pocket here, there's a Velcro pocket. It has my case for my my little holder for my glasses. And then of course it's easy to get to my stickers. I love these stickers. This is a cute little craft folder. It's passport size. I actually got it from Amazon, I think. It's really easy to fill up, and I have this little elastic band that keeps it in place. So I have all these different stickers from shops and also from my shop. So I create stickers, and I have to make sure that I have them with me. So, and then there's a zipper pocket in the back, and I have some wet wipes. I honestly don't like the fuzzies that these leave. If you use these, then you know what I'm talking about, but you never know when you're gonna need them. And I actually use them quite a lot. So I have two sets, the lavender one and then the original fresh scent. So I like these. So I'm gonna put these back. And then here I have the first little pocket in here. I love this one. So here I have been practicing my watercoloring. So I've been stress watercoloring. I'm in California, so I'm sure you've probably heard. If you haven't, there's a bunch of fires going on, and a lot of people sadly have lost their homes, and we are hurting with them and trying to help out in any way we can. So I've been trying to cope with that by embracing my watercoloring. So I have this little notebook, and it's got my swatches of the different colors. I actually have to make a new one because the little watercolor compartment that I use is this one here, and it's a micro portable painter. I have to clean it. Actually, I don't mind. I don't mind it because it just means that I've used it. So these are the watercolors that I have. I have to swatch that in here. That way I can use it as a reference for whatever watercolor I'll be doing. So I have this one, and then of course it comes with a little, I have the clip, so I could kind of clip it, hold it in place, and then I use my brush here. And then this one you could actually add the water in here, so it's nice and compact. It's perfect for travel. So that's something I didn't take with me to Washington, and I was sad because I've been enjoying watercoloring. So that's the first one here. I have my Insta-X Mini Evo. I love this thing. It was a gift from my husband. He obviously knows about my journaling addiction, and I wanted like a printer, and I love this thing because it's Wi-Fi. It has a Wi-Fi connection, so I can use my phone, and whatever picture I take with my phone, I can print it instantly as a Polaroid picture. So it's really sweet. It's nice and compact, so I can use it in my journals. So now we can go into my actual journals. So I have different cases. I actually have 3 journals here. There we go. Yes, these are the journals I am obsessed with. The first one being my A6. I love this thing. Well, you know what? Yeah, I think this is the first one I use in the morning. I like to journal in the morning because it just sets my day, my tone for the day as a positive one. And I'm using the Hobonichi techo. I love this thing because honestly, it's really helping me be more consistent with like staying in tune with my feelings and seeing it on paper, being able to decorate the page and talk about how I feel is helping my mental health a lot. So I definitely recommend journaling if you haven't. This is compact enough where you don't have to write so much. You could just write a little bit and then I do different pages. I can do a different video on what my journaling routine is. But this is the one I use, and this is kind of like a brain dump type of notebook that I use. So that's my first one. And my second one, this is a Hobonichi case. These two, I think, wait, the three of these are Hobonichi cases. Oh, I didn't realize that. That's pretty cool. Okay, but this is not a Hobonichi planner. This is a Kimbor Weekly. It's kind of like a dupe for the Hobonichi Weeks. And I love this thing because I've been using it as my daily scripture journal. So as you can see, and it's kind of like foreshadowing, I love to decorate my page. So I need things to decorate my page. So this is like how the blank page looks like. And this is how I like to decorate it. So I read a scripture in the morning, and then I put my thought here. This is the scripture that I read, and this is my thought on that scripture. And this is kind of like highlights and stuff that I need to study for the week, for my weekly meetings. So there's this one, and sorry, it has to be like all organized. This last but not least journal, I love this thing. Oh my God, guys. If you are a busy gal, you have your own small business. I own a sticker shop. I own, and I sell through Etsy. So a lot of the creating and organizing and customer service and all of that is something that I personally do and enjoy doing. So in order to organize my shop, I have to use this Hobonichi cousin. And this is my life on here. Honestly, these are stickers for my shop here. I love using this thing. It's just awesome. So I got stickers here, schedule, and then I also have my daily schedule. So something very, very important for me, if I'm traveling, I may be doing it for at least 3 days. These are things that I will be taking with me for sure. So, ooh, hold on, let me put this elastic on because it's gonna be a chunky one. So that's another journal. So these are 3 journals that I have to travel with. These are my journaling supplies that I need to be able to decorate my journal pages. And I'm excited to be showing you guys this because it's all of my favorites. Honestly, I can't do a separate video on journaling supplies that I enjoy, but this leather pouch is from Portland Leather Goods. It's very great quality. Honestly, I love this thing. And it fits a lot. You can really pack a lot of good things, but I'll just briefly show you. I have some glue tape. You just kind of click it. I have some cream tape for the type of planners that I use. It's not a white color. It's more of a cream color, the Tomoe River paper. So whiteout doesn't really, it'll stand out way too much. So the cream tape is very important. I have a sharpener because I've been sketching before my watercolor sketches. I have my pencil, so I got my pencil. These are my journaling essentials, guys. My Uniball pen, 0.38, always. Furunosuke, Tombow Furunosuke hard tip brush pen. A Tombow brush pen. I would love to take all of these, by the way, but that's not gonna happen. So I have to take at least one. I have my little, this has become like a favorite, my little scissors. I have some markers here. It's like an X-Acto knife. Yeah, it's sharp, but it's got the cover on it. So usually we do road trips, so I don't have to worry about bringing these with me because it's not like they're gonna check my bag anyways. So I have that. I have an eraser. Something that's become a big deal for me, I use this every single day, is my brass ruler. I love this thing. And of course, I can't live without my fountain pen. This is a Coeco brass fountain pen. I make sure to fill it up before I leave, and I don't have to worry about it because I also use that in conjunction with my Uniball pen. So I have that, and I think that's it for my journaling. I have another Pentel brush pen. I love these things, and all of this fits in here, and I have way more that I'm not really showing but it's amazing. So I'm gonna leave that there. And then I can't live without, as you can see, I love washi tape. I love washi tape. I'm getting into some of the like stamping stuff for my journal. So some ways I like to use washi tape, as you saw, is in my journal here, like for example here. So I have a combination of washi tape, stickers, and stamps. So that's something I love to do, different color combinations. So I use washi tape a lot in my journals. So I had to make sure. This is something that I bought, I think in Kinokuniya bookstore a while back. I love this thing because it can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different washi tapes. And some of my favorite ones, these are all from MT Masking Tape. I love their washi tape. This is a new addition to my collection, and this is from Eric Small Things. I got it in jet pens. This is amazing quality, guys. I've talked about it in my stationery haul. If you are interested in seeing what I got recently, this is in there. It's so pretty. I love it. It's universal condition. I got it from Mochi Things, and they are snug in here. They are, because this is a big boy. These are, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 regular ones would fit just nicely. But I really pushed it in there. So it's nice because it's got a little window so I can see the different colors I have. And these are my essentials for any trip that I have, along with, of course, the stickers. So I have that. And then last but not least, it's got a little pocket in here for your laptop. But I have my iPad because I like to draw with I use the app Procreate. I love that thing. I'm still practicing, but hey, it's worked for my stickers. And that is exactly what I use. I use my iPad to draw, and also a little keyboard. So I just set it on my desk or wherever I am. I open my tablet, and then I'm good to go for whatever I need to work on, because I do a lot of volunteer work on here as well. So this is all of my essentials for travel, guys. I love everything that I've shown you here. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is a really great bag. If you're interested in getting one, girl, get yourself one. It is awesome. You're not going to regret it. I don't know exactly the name of it, but I will link it down below. I don't gain anything from this other than maybe inspiring you to take your essentials and make sure that you journal in your trips, because it's honestly pretty neat to look back into your journal pages when you were traveling and knowing that you took all of the stuff that you needed. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to inspire you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.